Abuna Sarah. Hello, good evening. This is a nature vlog, so I'm going to be showing you nature outside. So here are some flowers. Very pretty. I like them. There's a lot of them. So yeah, got clippers there. I'm going to be clipping one of them and bringing it in. Side. There's some other flowers. It's kind of similar, but like a blue color. Those ones look like they turn a little bit white. Could be all the rain or something, moisture, who knows. Okay. There's some other plants here. Then here is the American flag. Here's some flowers. Here, let me try some plants outside. Like so, very nice.